What's up, moneymakers? Aaron here, and today we're diving deep into Chris Reeder's Velocity Profits System. If you haven't watched my previous video where we exposed what Chris isn't revealing on the Velocity Profits website, don't worry, I've added the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out after this one. Now, let's get into the meat of today's video. Velocity Profits Workshop revealed 5 things you need to know. If you've been following the buzz about Velocity Profits, you've probably heard about Chris Reeder's free workshop. But what exactly can you expect from this workshop? Today we're pulling back the curtain and revealing 5 things you absolutely need to know. Number 1. This isn't your typical guru workshop. Forget about vague promises and motivational fluff. Chris Reeder is going to break down the exact system that's helping everyday people generate serious income with affiliate marketing. We're talking real strategies, real numbers, and real results. Number 2, you're going to learn about untapped markets. Chris is going to reveal how to tap into foreign English-speaking markets that most marketers ignore. This isn't just theory. You'll see exactly how to find these markets and why they're so profitable. Number 3, AI tools will be demystified. One of the biggest game changers in Velocity Profits is the use of AI tools. In the workshop, Chris will show you how these tools work and how they can save you time and skyrocket your conversions. Number 4, you'll see real case studies. Chris isn't just going to tell you what's possible. He's going to show you. You'll see real examples of people who have used the Velocity Profit System to generate significant income. We're talking $1,000, $5,000, even $21,000 days. Number 5. You're getting a complete roadmap. By the end of the workshop, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan for implementing the Velocity Profits System. Plus, you'll get access to Chris's free book that breaks down the entire blueprint. Now, here's something Chris doesn't advertise much: the Q&A session at the end of the workshop. This is your chance to get your specific questions answered by the man himself. Trust me, this alone is worth its weight in gold. But here's the thing, spots in this workshop are filling up fast. This isn't some fake scarcity tactic. There's a limit to how many people can attend, and once it's full, it's full. So if you're serious about learning a system that could potentially transform your affiliate marketing results, if you're ready to stop struggling with outdated strategies and tap into what's working right now, then you need to be in this workshop. Click the link in the description below to secure your spot now. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In our next video, we'll be diving into a real-life case study that'll blow your mind. You'll see exactly how one of Chris's students went from $0 to $5,000 a day. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Remember, in affiliate marketing, the early bird doesn't just get the worm, it gets the whole damn bird. Be that early bird. This is Aaron, and I'll see you in the next video where we uncover some truly shocking Velocity Profits results.